Good morning, tutor and peers. My name is Germán Caicedo. I am 42 years old. I'm married. I have a little son, Miguel Ángel, is 9 years old. I live in Medellin. I'm studying at the moment a bachelor degree in English as a foreign language in the UNAT, logically. I'm retired. I was a police officer all my life. In this moment, I'm retired. I like play sports. I like spend time with my family and my friends, and dancing and watching TV. I'm a funny man. Okay, I must respond some questions about my course, this course. Make the course recognition. First question: what is the purpose of the course? The purpose of the course is improve linguistic and communicative competence in the students by means of social interaction, sharing with partners and with teachers in conferences by means of the web. Okay. Second question: how many learning outcomes can you find in the syllabus? We can find 4 learning outcomes. 3. What are synchronic interaction activities? Well, synchronic interaction activities are activities when the student must stay connected in some social media at the same time with the teacher and other partners. It is a learning activity live. It's not a synchronous activity like maybe videos like that, like this, or email or send documents. No, it's face to face in front of the one electronic device, like a computer or maybe a cell phone. Okay. 4. How many activities does the course have? The course have 6 activities, 6 tasks. Each task have several topics to make, but general are 6 tasks. 5. Which activity in the course imply real-time interaction? Well, task 2, partaking in 8 weekly mandatory encounters. Encounters are mandatory, are face-to-face by means of the internet. Yes. Task 3, debating about controversial issues. Task 6, delivering a speech through a web conference system. That will be a really challenge for me. Well, 3 tasks, 2, 3, and 6 are in real time with real-time interaction. Okay. And 6, summarize with your own words the course rules and conditions. Well, I have a little list. The most important is the respect to the partners and etiquette. It's forbidden plagiarism. I must have the minimum technological requirements in my electronic device to have communication. I must actualize personal information in profile and consult the syllabus. I must stay attentive to the course content and mail for synchronic activities, participating by social media by real-time interaction and web conferences. The success in the course is limited to accept these rules and requirements, and I must finish with a B2 English level according to the Common European Framework of Reference. Yes, this is a challenge, but it's possible, it's not impossible. Okay. 7. Is your institutional email working properly? Yes, it is working fine. It's so good. Step 2 is a reflection about based in a document what I read for the reference. Yes, one document about planning foreign language study, and my personal opinion. Yes, it's my personal reflection about that questions. The first question is: Have you got an English language level certification? If not, what do you consider your level is at present? Well, I don't have any English level certification at the moment. I think my English level is B1 because I can understand and have a basic interaction, communication, oral communication with people, with basic items, and sometimes I don't find the correct words to express my ideas, but in general I can do it. I can have basic communication with inclusive native speakers. Then is B1 my level, I think, I guess. 2. How did you get the level you have now? I have advanced a lot by myself with the internet and making the homework for the university. In the last semesters, I have taken advantage of the class one-on-one and classes with the practitioner partners of the university to improve in speaking and confidence, because I think the confidence is the most important, and practice and have confidence to give what you have. 3. Why are you studying English as a foreign language? Well, I'm studying English because I want to learn this new language, to open my mind to other cultures. Besides, it will be a great opportunity to teach to other people, especially Colombian childhood, to bring them the best opportunity in education than I have had in my moment. Okay? 4. How is studying a language as an adult different from studying it as a child? Well, in the childhood, the learning process of a language is most natural. Then it's easier to get habits as intonation or pronunciation. But in adult learners, the process is more conscientious, but a little slower. Okay? However, with the practice, that is not impossible, and adult learners have advantage in literacy by the previous knowledge of the native language. Yes, in some advantage and some weakness, but it's not impossible. 5. How long should you study a foreign language? The study of a language is a long life work. If you can have communication in a foreign language as a native, you must practice to don't forget the follow with the learning process, because always there are something new to learn. Inclusive in native language, in my case Spanish, we must practice every day, speak with people, write, listen podcasts, read a lot to improve every day the native language. It's most important in a second language. It's so necessary. Practice every day, all life long. Okay. 6. How can you make language learning a part of your life in the future? Well, making friend groups to chat in my target language, reading a lot, watching TV and series in my second language to polish my speech and understanding, and in this way improve every day. Repeat, practice and practice and practice every day is so important. Okay. 7. How can you organize lifelong language learning? I think that I can follow with my studies in the university as a manner to practice constantly. On the other hand, avocados, do you listen? The avocados, so good. Okay, on the other hand, follow the individual practice watching videos and podcasts on internet. What I need is build a network of friends, maybe by social media or some app, to practice my production skills, and it's possible to take a trip toward an English speaker country. I have one sister to live in the United States, maybe maybe the last year I can have a travel 1 month. That will be great for my learning process. Will be excellent. Okay, I have not thought in myself assets of improve. That is important, but I feel my progress anytime better, and only need some tests to have an exact measure of my advance. And I don't know, I don't have any certificate, I don't have a test, a real test to certificate my English level, but it's important. But I feel myself improving every day. That is great too. Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.